If you want your YouTube videos to get more views, subscribers, and engagement, one of the most important things to focus on is YouTube SEO. YouTube SEO is all about optimizing your videos so that YouTube understands your content and shows it to the right people. Many beginners think that making a good videos is enough, but without SEO, your videos may not reach the audience they deserve. In this video, I will give you a step-by-step YouTube SEO tutorial that is easy to understand and perfect for beginners. YouTube SEO is similar to Google SEO, but it works especially for the videos. It involves things like choosing the right keywords, writing title and descriptions, creating thumbnails, adding tags, and engaging with your audience. By following the right SEO practice, your videos are more likely to appear in search results, suggested videos, or recommendations, which can bring more viewers to your channel. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to grow your online presence without complicated steps. In this video, we will go through the YouTube SEO for beginners so you can optimize your videos and reach a wider audience. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link from the description to check out the tools and resources that can help you with YouTube SEO. By using the description links, you can get access to free trials or special offers automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video. The first step in YouTube SEO is keyword research. Keywords are the words or the phrases that people type in the YouTube search bar when they look for any videos. You need to know what your audience is searching for so you can create the videos that match their needs. You can use tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ or even YouTube search suggestions to find popular keywords. Once you know the keywords, you can use them naturally in your video title, description, or tags. Next thing is focusing on title. Your title should include the main keyword and clearly explain what the video is about. It should be simple, engaging, and make viewers want to click. For example, instead of just typing the SEO tips or GoHighLevel automation, a better title would be YouTube SEO tips for beginners to get more views, or like this kind, scale your business with GoHighLevel automation. A good title helps YouTube understand your content and also attracts more viewers. Next thing is the description. In the description box, you can include your main keyword, your related keywords, and a short explanation of what the video covers. You can also add links to your website, social media, or other videos on your channel. The description gives YouTube more context about your video and helps it to rank better in search results. Next, let's talk about the tags. Tags are another small but useful part of the SEO. Tags are hidden keywords that describe your video. So you can use your main keyword and some related keywords to help YouTube understanding your content. Tags are not as important as title and description, but they still give the extra information about your video topic. You can use rapid tag or the TubeBuddy or vidIQ to get more keyword or tags. Thumbnail plays a major role in YouTube SEO too. Even if your title is perfect, people may not click if your thumbnail is not attractive. Thumbnails should be bright, clear, and include the text or visuals that show what the video is about. A professional looking thumbnail can increase your click-through rate and improve your video ranking. Next, focus on engagement signals. YouTube notices how viewers interact with your video. Likes, comments, watch time, and shares all signal to YouTube that your content is valuable. So encourage the viewers to like, comment, and subscribe. Ask questions or give calls to action in your video. The more people engage with your content, the better it will perform. Closed captions and subtitle are also helpful for SEO. Adding caption make your video accessible and help the YouTube to understand the words in your video. AI tools or YouTube auto caption feature can help you to add captions quickly. Another tip is to create playlist. Playlist group related videos together, which keeps the viewer to watching longer. Longer watch time improves your channel's authority and helps your video rank higher. Linking older videos in your new videos that also help you with SEO. Finally, use analytics to improve. YouTube Studio shows the data like impression, click-through rate, average watch time, and traffic source. So pay attention to which videos perform best and apply those lessons to the future content. So SEO is an ongoing process, and testing different title, description, and formats that will help you to improve over the time. To summarize, YouTube SEO for beginners involves the keyword research, optimized titles, descriptions, tags, engaging thumbnails, or audience interaction, captions, playlists, and organizing performance. By following these steps consistently, your videos will reach more people, gain more subscribers, and grow your channel steadily. So that's it for today's video. If this YouTube SEO tutorial helped you to understand how to optimize your videos, give this video a like, subscribe to Easy Access Tech for more simple and practical tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.